Have you ever been faced with where and how to mount a fire extinguisher? Hi, I'm Chief Joe Bruni, and what we're going to discuss is how to properly mount the common household fire extinguisher. Household fire extinguishers come in many shapes and sizes. Many of them, though, are small in nature. Usually, fire extinguishers come with some type of mounting bracket that can be removed and used as a template for the area where you wish to mount the extinguisher. The template or mounting bracket can be placed up against the wall, and the holes can be marked with a simple pencil, pen, or marker. Remove the bracket or template and then proceed to either drill holes or make holes necessary to insert the mounting hardware. The mounting hardware of 2 screws and plastic molly anchors is commonly used for things like sheetrock and drywall. Simply holes that are made the same size as the holes in the template or mounting bracket are made, and the plastic molly entered into the hole or pushed into the hole. The screws are then placed through the bracket's holes and tightened for assembly. Once in place, the fire extinguisher simply will fit snugly into the mounting bracket and be ready for use. I'm Chief Joe Bruni. Stay safe.